Have a great day too, guys. How are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome. Let me explain some points of my strategy. Before we start, I want to tell you about my strategy. I did practice on demo, not a practice, backtest on demo about the strategy. So let's explain the strategy. First of all, I have to show you how actually the strategy works. So first, let's go to my demo account and let's see how many trade I made. And this is pure scalping strategy. Okay, guys, let me show you result. This is the last week results with $115 the profit. And look here, USD CAD with 0.01, and they booked here 4 pips, 5 pip, 4 pip, 3 pip, and 2 pips. Or you can use on any index. Look here, all symbols. Here is the history USD CAD with $21 profit. Always we are using 0.01 AUD USD. We are using this strategy. And look here, $18 the profit. XAUS USD. This is a gold pair. And look here, 31.37 is the profit with 0.01 USD GPY. Look at $14 in profit. NZD USD, look at $6 in profit. GBP USD, look at 8.25. CHF GPY, $2 profit. And here is the Euro USD, look at 11.81 is the profit. So this is the powerful strategy. Now let me show you after demo. Let me show you the real account. Okay, and here's the real account with $73.38. Let me show you the history of last week. Okay, we deposit $50 and now we are at $23. This is almost 50% gain on this account. Look at with 0.01. They did all symbol strategy USD and CAD 0.53 cents. Here USD, here is $7 profit with the XAU USD $1 profit and GBP USD $3 profit and ZD USD here is the $6 profit. USD chef here is $3 maximum $4 profit. So this is the best strategy, guys. This is pure scalping strategy. You have to choose just the 5 pips, 6 pips, 7. Okay, no more than this. 7 and 8, this is enough. You can use M5 time frame and 1 time frame. This is the best strategy. You're going to make awesome profit. I hope you guys understand well. So now it's time to explain the strategy, how actually this strategy works, and how pure this is for scalping. You can use M5 time frame and 1 time frame. I'm talking about the indicator window 1. You guys looking at the below and other colorful indicator. This is all moving average and 1 is involved we're using in this video. So let me explain this strategy. First of all, you have to press the F icon on your main chart and go to indicator window, not on the main chart. Okay, first of all, you have to look at indicator window 1. First go for RSI. Here is the RSI. Period will be 14. Apply to close. Pixel will be 1 and level 3070. Just simply click on down and your RSI will be added. Okay, guys, take a screenshot, watch the video, try to understand. After, follow the screenshot and make setting. Period will be 50 of involves, shift will be 0 and deviation will be 2.760. Method will be simple. Apply to close. Upper band and lower band with 2 pixels. Choose any color you like. Simply click on down and here is look here. The strategy setting is just appear in my indicator window 1. You have to choose all moving averages, RSI involves, all in indicator window, not on main chart. Remember this, not for main chart. These all indicator setting for indicator window 1. Always remember. Okay, you have to click on, after adding RSI, you have to click on indicator window 1. Once done, you have to add all indicators below the indicator window 1. Remember this. I'm repeating again and again so you guys understand clearly. Not on main chart, you have to go to indicator window 1, not on the main chart. So first of all, you have to look at RSI after involves and then moving ahead. Look here, this is the period 5, shift will be 0, method will be exponential. Apply to weight close HLCC4 and remember 2 pixels. Choose any color you like. Simply click on down and you go back for other moving average. Moving will be 6, shift will be 0, method will be exponential, weight close HLCC4 and choose any color you like. So till 21 you have to choose the same method. Apply to weight close HLCC4. This is the moving average setting. So now adding 21 moving average below this indicator window 1. So that's the strategy and now setting is done. So this strategy actually is not a strategy. This is a support and resistance. You guys now support and resistance is the true age of the indicator and true age of your price action trading. So first of all, what you need to guys look support and resistance. So here the support and resistance involved will help you to support and the resistance. As you guys know that RSI always help us to identify the overbought and oversold area. Now in this strategy also you have to choose same. But in this strategy we are not going to check the RSI level of 70, 80 and 90 and 50 levels. No, we are not going to track the RSI levels. We are going to track the involved levels. So simply you have to look at the upper band which is showing the overbought and the lower band which is the red color of involved which is showing the oversold area. So now you guys can understand easily there is a support and there is a resistance. The upper band of involved is the resistance and the downward the red color which is showing that support area. Once the market start rising from support area, it means the market will go buy. So let me show you an example so you guys understand clearly how to actually milk the market using this strategy. Look here, from support area, market is rising upward, and look here on the main chart, the candles also moving upward. So it means that market is going upward. So this is a bullish trend and a buy direction. You have to purchase buy contract only. So how to make profit? Simply, as I told you, your stop loss will be go there, build this area, okay, and you take profit. Remember, always use stop loss to take profit, and always use money management. Don't be greedy. If any strategy is giving good results, no, there is nothing anything which is 100%. So this is all on prediction market. You have to predict the things and do matching on this. So when the market start going upward, you have to choose the take profit 5 to 7 pips and stop loss below the lower area for buy. And here is the support area. And once market started going from support area, touch this involved red candle and started going upwards, it's time to buy. It's time to buy. Buy till here, okay, and look here, the candle also started rising. So that's the way we made this all profit, almost $25, which is equal to 50% of this account. I hope you guys got that. If I have still any question, please check in the comment. I'm here to help you. Okay guys, I request you to please hit the subscribe button, like, share this video, and spread the positivity and spread the knowledge, spread the education, so you guys understand, and also other your traders friends understand this and make awesome profit using this strategy. This is very straightforward, very good, and very easy, very simple, very powerful, because this is simple and also based on the price action, support and resistance criteria. As you use support and resistance the simple way, the same way you have to use the involved support and resistance. I hope you guys get that. Have a good day, best you, and wish you best training, best of luck. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.